Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make some amazing brownies. It's one of my favorite recipes to make. So let's get started. Alright, so I've already got all of my ingredients laid out here on the table for me. I've got my 1 stick of butter, unsalted, and 6 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate chips already in my mixing bowl. I'm going to melt these over a double boiler, and so I've just got a saucepan here with some water in it, and you want just enough water where it does not touch the bottom of the bowl. However, it can provide enough steam to actually melt your items inside. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these melted, and I'll meet you right back here. All right, I'm back with my chocolate melted with my butter in my bowl. I've got a spatula handy. I'm gonna go ahead and stir in 1.5 cups of sugar. And this is gonna cool your butter and chocolate mixture down, so that way when you put your eggs in here, it doesn't cook your eggs. That's gonna turn into a little bit of a chocolate paste. I won't lie, it looks delicious like this already, but we've got a few more ingredients to add to it. Now I'm going to switch to my whisk and add my eggs. I like to go ahead and also add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a pinch of salt. So that's all incorporated, smelling delicious. I'm gonna go ahead and add my 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, and then I have a 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, and then you're just gonna mix this all together. Now you don't want to over mix it, so you want to mix it just until all the flour and cocoa powder is combined in here. But you do want to make sure that there are no lumps of flour in here. If you're worried about lumps, you can sift the flour and cocoa powder before you put it in with the chocolate. Otherwise, they usually will mix out pretty easily. All right, now I've got my baking pan here. This is a 9x9 baking pan that's already been sprayed down with cooking spray. Now this is a great recipe. I make this all the time for my friends and family, and they absolutely love it. Now you just want to make sure that you get the corners here, because sometimes the corners have the tendency to shrink down. So you just put a little bit extra in the corners, and that'll help even it out as it bakes. Now these are going to bake in the oven at 350 degrees for about 30 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. And look at how they turned out. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe to my channel for more recipes. Thank you.